Hello friends, today we will discuss short circuit evaluation in Java. So what is short circuit evaluation? See, there are situations where we need not evaluate the entire expression. If we just evaluate a part of it, we can run to a conclusion as to how the flow of the program should go further. So this avoids unnecessary evaluation to make efficient processing, right? So there are two operators and an OR, which are called short circuits. So we will discuss in detail in this video as to how we can use this concept to make our program more efficient and how does it work. So let's go to the programming part to understand it better. Okay, let me open the program. So in this program, I'm using the AND operator for the concept of short circuits. So before doing that, let me go and explain you the concept of the logical operators and OR. So we have two logical operators. We have three in fact, but here we are just discussing the two logical operators and OR. So AND is represented by ampersand sign. So this ampersand sign is above your number 7 key. So if you press shift and 7, you can get this. And this OR operator is the vertical bars. So if you press shift and the key above your enter key, you will be able to see these vertical bars, and they are always two in number. You don't write single ampersand or single vertical bar, not like that. You have to write two. So now coming on to what is AND logical operator and what is OR logical operators. So AND logical operator is, it gives you the output as true only if all conditions are met. Otherwise, it always gives you false. Now, what does that mean? See, I'll give you a non-technical example. Suppose you want to participate as a member of the Indian cricket team, right? So what are the conditions? You need to be an Indian citizen. You need to know how to play cricket, right? Then only you can participate as a participant of the Indian cricket team. Now, suppose you are an Indian citizen, but you don't know how to play cricket. Can you play cricket for the Indian team? No. So all conditions have to be satisfied for the final outcome to be correct or true. Similarly, in case of AND operator, all the conditions, depending on what the expression is, they have to be correct or they have to be true so that the final outcome is true. Even if one of the condition is not satisfied, you will get the output as false. Now coming on to the OR operator. It gives you the output as true even if one of the condition is true. Okay, all right. I'll again give you a non-technical example. Suppose you come thirsty at home and you are like, Mom, give me anything. I just want to drink something. Now she says, whether you want to drink water or you want to drink juice, you are like, give me anything, either of the two. So whenever this either or this comes into picture, like you are thirsty, you can drink water, you can drink juice, everything is fine with you. So this is or anything. So when any of the condition is satisfied, it gives you true. Even if one condition is correct, even if one condition is met, it will give you the output as true. So that is OR operator for you. Now, taking these principles into consideration, these fundamental things into consideration, now we will understand the concept of short circuit. So, first of all, I have taken an example where I'm using AND operator. Now, what was my condition? even if one of the expression gives me false, then the output will be false even if one condition is not satisfied. So in the if condition, I have taken false and true and true. So what does that mean? So as soon as it will read, it will be like first thing, first outcome is false. So it knows for sure that the rest of the expression, if we totally calculate this, anyways, the outcome has to be false because in AND operator, all conditions have to be true for the final outcome to be true, right? So if my first condition itself is false, anyways, the output will be false. So I need not evaluate these. There is no need because you have the AND sign, AND operator. So the outcome will definitely be false. So what it will do, it will not evaluate this entire expression. It will just go and evaluate the first part and run to a conclusion that this is not possible. This cannot be met. So it will not go inside this. It will go to the else part and print this. Why? Because it knows that, okay, anyways, the outcome is not correct. So since first operand is false and operator is AND, evaluation stops and false is returned. So this is efficient, right? It saves my time. I don't have to evaluate the entire expression. I know from the first expression itself that we cannot proceed for the if condition. We have to go to the else part. So it goes and prints you the else part, whatever it is. Like I've just given a simple println statement. It can be anything, any other code also. Now I come to another condition where all of them, all the expressions are true. Now, this is a perfect condition for AND. If all the conditions are met, then the final output will be true, right? So if all of them are true, so what it will do? This output gets printed as there will be no short circuit. There is no short circuit here because it will go from first to second to third, and it knows, yeah, that everything is fine and it will run like a normal program. But here, because the first expression itself is false, it will understand, okay, this is not possible. So no need running the entire expression, evaluating the entire expression. We can go ahead and just leave it and go to the else part. So let me run this for you and show you. So if I run this program of short circuit, see, it prints, first of all, it prints me the second part, the else part. This output got printed actually due to short circuit. Then it goes here and prints the if related part, not the else part, because there is no short circuit applied. So it says this output gets printed as there will be no short circuit. So first case short circuit was applied, in the next case no. Why no? Because see, it had to evaluate each and every expression to see that there is no false. But here in the first case itself, it is false, so it knows कि no need to evaluate the entire thing. Now coming on to the OR operator. So in the OR operator, what is the fundamental thing? That even if one of the output is true, one of the input is true, then the final output will be true. So in this case, I see the first thing is true itself. Again, an example of short circuit. So if the first thing is true, I know this expression as a whole outcome will be true only, right? Because even if one of the condition is true, final result is true. So it will first read the first expression. It is true. So it knows it has to go in the if condition. This is fine. So it will print the first part. So it will not go to the else part. Whereas if I go here, first is false, then it will go and check the next one. Again, it is false. And the third one is true. So it will evaluate each and everything. But then because it has to evaluate each and everything, there is no short circuit. Though it will still go here, but then it has to evaluate everything. So it's not efficient, right? It's not efficient. So this is not an example of short circuit. So whole expression will be evaluated as no true is encountered before the last condition. So no short circuit, whereas here first operand is true and operator is OR, evaluation stops and true is returned. So this is how AND and OR operator helps you in evaluating the expressions at an early stage, and these are the examples of short circuit. So this is the short circuit evaluation in Java. Hope you understood the concept. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment box and I can explain it further. If you want to learn any other new concept, please do write in the comment box and I will make related videos. And guys, if you're liking my channel, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.